Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam if you're new here, and today I have a new video for you guys. So I am changing all the apartments. We got in a new apartment and everything, and we have been doing a lot of changes that I will be sharing with you guys soon. But right now I have ordered like 10 days ago from SHEIN, where this is it comes like this. All the products came on the same packaging, and I've been waiting for this one because I'm so excited. I have ordered a bunch of stuff. Some stuff, like some of them they are for home decor, and some is like kind of makeup and stuff. I mean, for makeup. So let's get started. We will open together. I didn't see if they are in a good shape, if everything's okay, so we'll discover together. I'm so excited. I wanted to see if it's worth it, if SHEIN products are worth it, if they are good quality. I have ordered some stuff from them. It was good. But yeah, I will be putting somewhere here the product itself on SHEIN, on their website or app, and sharing the price. And I will be linking everything on the description section down below, so don't worry about it. So let's start with this one. This is, I wanted something to store I'm keeping everything minimalistic, because I don't want to take time to clean and put everything back in its place. I like stuff simple, easy to go. So I started with this one, which is so cute. It looks like this. This is for your pencils, and actually is for, wait, I think I did something wrong. Yeah. So it turns around like this. I cannot put it on the table, you will not be able to see. And I wanted to put my makeup brushes, sorry, I want to say brushes, not pencils. My makeup brushes, my lipsticks, my eyeliners and stuff on the same place, so I don't have to go around and look for them, because right now I just mix them all together on the same vase, and I don't like that. I wanted something easy, simple, and I like the fact that it's beige, and I wanted to mix colors. It's not really white, it's kind of cream. The quality looks nice, simple. It was really cheap, but it came broke. This is what they all talk about, that sometimes stuff doesn't reach in good shape, because with all the process to come until your house, most of the time they don't take care of it. I'm so upset, so I will have to show them and see. Anyway, next, that's the only thing I don't like about SHEIN, that they don't really protect the stuff, which, I mean, most of the time, not most of the time, but sometimes it will break, like this one, because of course you're not buying expensive stuff, from very good materials. This is plastic, so I expect it to break one day, but not as soon as it reaches, because yeah. So on the shipping process, sometimes they break. You put your napkins or tissues wherever, and I like it because it was kind of different, I wanted to put it on top of some books on the table, and I think it's very nice. You can put it like this if you want, or like I wanted to just put it like this. This one is not broken, thank God. Once again, I will be putting prices and everything. Yes, it opens like this. You put the napkins inside and then you close it. I really think it looks very good, very nice. For the price is amazing. And once again, by the way, I'm not sponsored. I paid everything with my own money, so just to let you know. And yeah, so it looks nice. It does the job. It was not expensive, so I cannot complain about it. Yeah. So I was looking for stuff on a budget, because this is I'm renting this apartment. It's not my own apartment, so I will not be putting more money than I should. So yeah, this is a book. It looks like this. I knew the books that they will get a little bit damaged, but it's all right. It's this one doesn't open, no. So I wanted to style, you know, the apartment with some books, and I really thought they were so expensive for the price for, you know, styling an apartment once again that I'm just renting. This is not my apartment. So I found books like this. I don't know if you will be able to see. I'm looking at my laptop at the same time to see if you can, if it does focus on the stuff I'm showing you. It looks like this. It's written style guide, insights from leaders in style. I like the cover of it, and this is the back, and this is the side of it. So very simple, easy. It will give a little touch to the apartment, and I really like it. Next, oh, this one. I think this one is the one you can open. This is smart. They should have done the same. So this is the same kind of book, but you do assemble it yourself, I guess. It comes, you know, flat, and then I guess you assemble it yourself, which I think is very smart because most of them they get broken. So yeah, it comes like this, and then you, for sure, you assemble it. I will do it another time, but yeah, you assemble it and then you close it, and then it will look like this. Once again, I will be putting everything here so you can see the final result. And I've got this one, The Art of Living with White, a Year of Inspiration. This is the back. This is how it looks, the back and the front. And since I'm mixing whites and blacks and grays and beige on this apartment, but I have a lot of whites, I did want something that will talk about it. We've got this vase that I was not expecting it to look this good. It looks really like it's plastic. Okay, this is plastic. So this one, I wanted this kind of you know, shape on a vase. It's really tall, and I wanted it for those plants. I will be able to show you those plants right there, because I wanted it to be taller than the black one I've got, you see, and I'm so happy it is. It was really not expensive. I did struggle to find this exact shape on a real vase, and then I got really mad. I was like, okay, let me just order this, because I remember when we were sharing an apartment with my sisters. One of my sisters, she did order, sorry, from SHEIN, a small vase. I remember she was thinking they were real ones and they were plastic, and every single person that will come to the apartment and ask for those vases, they were plastic, and they will be shocked, because when you want to hold a ceramic vase, you expect it to be heavy, and then when you hold it, you're like, this is not heavy at all. So yeah, really, really, really nice. It didn't came broken, which is a miracle, and I'm so happy about it. It really, really looks really like from a very good quality, and I love that. It was really not expensive. So happy about this one. Oh, thank you. This is one of the books I was looking for. So this book, it comes on a box like this, thankfully, and it's protected everywhere, as you can see, on the inside and outside. I was really, really scared about this one because it was kind of expensive. We throw that there. It was kind of expensive. I wanted a book that it will be a kind of decoration, and at the same time I will put it, you know, on top of the table, so I can put inside stuff, you know, like the remote control for the TV, stuff I don't want to be shown on top of the table right there. That's why I'm looking there, because I find it ugly, you know, it doesn't look chic and elegant, and I wanted something like that. And the quality is amazing. I guess if I remember well, it was around 7 euros, but it looks so expensive. Look at this quality. It says monochrome home, elegant interiors in black and white, and I told you that's what I'm looking for. This is the cover, this is the back, and this is the side of it. The quality is amazing, to be honest, and this is inside. And it came in a very good shape. It's not broken at all. I'm so happy. because it's the one that will show the most. So I'm so happy. Next, what do we get here? This is another box. Let me show you. It comes like this. So it's kind of protected. Let's see. Oh, I'm so happy. So. I wanted something cute where I will be showing you the picture here. I don't know. Where I will store my perfumes and some of my makeup, and you know, so it will be. I will throw this there. So it will be, you know, cute and everything on two levels. And I've got this rotating, you know, thingy. And it looks very good. Let me open it. I don't know if I will be able to assemble it right now. I'm so sorry, because it will take time, but at least it comes with a little thing like this, so you can do it yourself. And it says, hello friend, this is the size label. The product model you purchased is S is 1 layer, M is 2 layers, L is 3 layers. I've got it in 2 layers because I wanted it in 2 layers. You see, so this is the downside, that it will rotate. I will be able to show you. It will rotate like this. This is what I wanted. It's not broken, everything is good. And this is the second level. I just wanted 2 levels. I don't have that much stuff. And the little things that will, you know, where you would put the top level, they came like this. You have 3. So I guess it's all right. I will assemble it later, and I may show you a picture later on, or a video right here or there for it turning, if it does turn. So I did order these brushes because I have been using the same brushes for an eternity. My brushes, I did order them from AliExpress, the ones I do use every day, and I wanted some beige one that would go with this and with all the decoration. And since this one is broken, I would have to wait for another one, or I don't know. So I will just take them out. They look, oh, the quality is really nice. They are really protected with these ones, but they're so soft. Let me open the big ones so we can see. So they come like this. Oh, they're really soft, by the way. Like, really, they seem such good quality. I like them. Okay, this one is good. This one is good. The quality is really nice. Yes, I really like them. They are kind of cream, beige cream. Let me show you. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes like this, and I will remove all of them so you will be able to see properly how they look like. So yeah, really nice. I like them. I'm happy. Next. What do I have here? I don't remember actually. It comes in a small box like this. Oh, okay. So just to let you know, I love traveling. I love traveling, and I saw this cutie. Okay, let me see if it sticks because it got out. Okay, I saw this cutie on SHEIN, and I think it's very pretty. So I got it, and I wanted to put it somewhere on the back with the decoration right there because I really think it's so pretty. So yeah, what do you think? It's small. It's crystal, you know, ball like this of the earth, and it's so beautiful. So yeah, it's really small. I don't know if you will be able to see. Okay. Don't judge me, okay? But I think it's so pretty. Next, I found a pack of beauty blenders and and sponges like this, you know. It comes with 1, 2. I wanted brown ones because I hate when you do wash your beauty blenders and sponges and everything and they still look, you know, dirty. I hate it. I just cannot deal with it. So I've got three. The pack comes with 1, 2, 3 medium beauty blenders, really cute small ones like this. You see, these are the small ones. They are flat on one side and they look really nice. Like the quality looks nice. Then you have 3 medium ones like this one. I guess they get bigger when you wet them. Then it comes with 3 sponges like this. The quality looks really nice, to be honest, really soft. And then with 3 cute small ones like this for, I guess, for the I will say it, concealer. Okay, you will be able to talk today, Sama. That's alright. And yeah, I think it's really nice. For the price, it was really good, the pack. So I'm done with beauty blenders and stuff. And last but not least, I've got this one because I do struggle every single time when I do have to wash my face. I end up with water everywhere and it annoys the hell out of me. So I've got this one. Let me try it on. So as I was saying, sorry, I've got a call. I wanted to see how this, ooh, who's this queen? Excuse me. And this for my hands because that was the struggling part. You see, like I will get water everywhere and everything. Like sometimes I will just go faster and not finish cleaning up my skin as I should, my face. So right now I'm happy with it. So yeah, the quality is really nice and it was not expensive once again. And I do like the color. I think it's pretty. So yeah, that's it for my order. I'm very happy with everything. Just a little upset about this one, and we'll see how I will see with them how I'm supposed to do that, what they will do. I will let you know. I will be posting the pictures with the final results somewhere here with the like the plate, for example, how it looks exactly, or a small short video with the final result once I assembled this book, for example. And of course, stay tuned because I will be sharing my final results of the apartment with the whole decoration and everything. I'm so happy. I cannot wait, and I hope you will like it. So hope this video was helpful. Of course, you will find everything on the description section down below. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be more than happy to answer your comments. And I know sometimes I just disappear a bit. I do work and it takes a lot of time for me to find a little bit of time to record these videos, but I'm trying to get back to it. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Please, until then, take care and yeah, bye.